Hey, what's up guys? This is Hungry Visionary and I'm hungry. And Jack in the Box are dope because they just gave me a whole week's supply of half and half cream and sugar and stuff. Like, come on, look at this. Can't you see? Okay, so let's just get straight to it. So today's mukbang happens to be on the day of my next cheat meal. And so it's like hella early right now. And so I am doing my best to be present. And today's topic is on my fitness journey and my weight loss journey. I moved to Vegas in 2016. And I weighed in at about 268, I think, or 258, 253. I totally forgot what I put on my driver's license, but yeah, so that was in 2016. I just went to the doctor's recently and weighed in at 171. So my last appointment there, I weighed in at 187, and that was about 3 months ago. It's on the dollar menu. Oh, well, it's in the value menu. It's very affordable and it's a good portion. Like, you see this? You see this? Yeah. And so it uses like almost Krabby Patty. Basically, a lot of it had to do with being in a caloric deficit. I also tried doing intermittent fasting in the event I had to, go to family events for food and just vacations and whatnot. So it was a combination of intermittent fasting, being in a caloric deficit regularly, and when I did eat, it was meeting my macronutrients. I'm currently on Herbalife too, and so that's been helping with my nutrition that I need every day. So, but yeah, so I do attract more people, men and women, non-binary, whoever finds me attractive. So life after weight loss, I will say that weight loss won't solve all of your problems, but it does help make your quality of life better to the point where you can tackle life's occasional issues and move on from there. And so, that helped a lot. I had more energy. So, to go beyond, what I did, I wanted to focus more on how life was after weight loss. When your body is always tired, it's always going to lead to a disconnect with your mind in a way where it's unhealthy. And now that I'm at a more healthier point, my mind and body does communicate in a way where I'm like, okay, this is why I feel this way, because my body is this or that. And so whenever I'm in sync with myself holistically, I'm able to do work more, I'm able to interact with my friends more, be present, do certain things that I had issues with, such as sitting still and just meditate and just sit still. I also started making more friends, of course, and during this process of weight loss, I also learned my definition of friendship that is for my well-being and my benefit. Sustainable weight loss has really instilled a lot of epiphanies, and I'm so much happier. Well, I have more happier days. I I wake up to happier days. I wake up to more days where I feel up for it. Oh my God, they got the tacos. So that was my mukbang video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My next video is probably not going to be a mukbang because I don't want it to be primarily just this type of video, but I do have a lot of videos coming up, especially for this new year and just this entire year being more active on here. So if you are following me on social media and you don't realize it, I'll put the links below and click on it, you'll see. If not, follow me on my social media. I also have a writing portfolio. The link is down in the description box too. All right, we'll see you next time. Peace.